Guys, did you see that there is a difference? Because I switched to a Apple Watch Series 5 because to test will it be worthy to buy or stick to the MI band, because I want to decide whether to buy a Apple Watch or the latest MI band 7 which came like few weeks back. So I'm gonna test this Apple Watch Series 5 and let's check whether it will be worthy to buy a Apple Watch or let's stick to a MI band. I think this has a huge problem, which is the battery, because of all-in display and more functionality and all. Let's see, is it will last at least for 1 day, because just now I charged for 100 and it's already 98%, which is bad, like within 10 minutes of use after setting up the Apple Watch. If you wanna see how to set up the Apple Watch video, I'll be linked down. Watch this video until the end so you can link in the end of the video. So I'm gonna wear this in sleep to track my sleep and all, and I'll be using for the next 2 days, and I'll be returning this to my friend. Okay, today is Friday night and it's already, you can see it's 12:45. I'm shooting in midnight, so don't forget to like for this hard work that I'm doing. And I will continue this video on the Sunday night, where before I'm gonna return back up this watch and return to my friend. Let's meet on the end of the weekend. Bye. Hello guys, today is Saturday, and yesterday I was talking about the Apple Watch that I borrowed to review, and we have passed almost 24 hours, another 24 hours more to return this watch. And yesterday night I charged for 100% after talking to you guys in the video, and now I checked the battery, it's 11%. You can use for 24 hours, more than 24 hours before the Apple Watch Series 5 dead. It's reasonable, but when it compared to my MI band, where I don't care about battery life, because it will last at least 10 days, maximum 14 to 15 days, there's no doubt. Guys, this is how it looks like in my hand. It's like fit to my hand, and if you press the scroll, it's 110, because just now I came back from the gym. Hello guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday, and I was using the watch for the whole weekend, including yesterday night. When I'm sleeping also, I was wearing my watch to track my sleep. I was using at the gym too. When compared to MI Band 3, this Apple Watch Series 5 has a more of a accurate tracking of my workout and other activities. In the end, I chose to buy the MI Band 7, which was released. The unboxing of the MI Band 7 will be coming soon. Be subscribed and support our channel. Sorry guys, I couldn't shoot the outro. Thank you guys. Please subscribe, like and share. We'll see in a new video. Thank you. Bye.